out here, logging laps today. That's my goal, just log a few laps, first race of the year.
Oh yeah.
Hey, horsey. I see you. No comment.
I quit for like 3 days and then it's just right back into the same loop.
What's that, drinking?
Yeah, dude, I'm a fucking alcoholic so bad.
Yeah. Drags. It gets stuck right on my frame.
What are you thinking, pal?
What?
What are you thinking?
I think I either need a beer or a nap.
Yeah, I'm thinking a nap. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah.
Drop top. Huh. Brr. Eva. Knievel. They told me stop buying all these fancy cars. They told me please take all your diamonds off. I'm getting too rich to fly commercial flights. They wanna lock me up like Suge Knight. I know that bitch want me to go for that, but I'm too rich to put my dick in that. They hit that bitch way back, I gave her back. They love my drip, you know I'm staying fast. They told me please take all your diamonds off. I'm getting too rich to fly commercial flights. They wanna lock me up like Suge Knight. I know that bitch want me to go for that, but I'm too rich to put my dick in that. They hit that bitch way back, I gave her back. They love my drip, you know I'm staying fast. The world's most hateable, currently unavailable. Solo booth from hateable, pull a watch with the haters do. Gucci's antisocial, bipolar, he's unrelatable. Heard he wrote a novel, got labels, but you can't label him. Independent labels, they model him and they study him. Good rich lingo, he model, but he not studying them. Northern people come round, he flicks, start talking southerner. Moving like the governor, fuck it, bitch, I'm the governor. I'm the new pussy, fuck it, the new 50. I'm the new baby, fuck it, the new Jimmy. Big rock fridge, fucking up hoes vision. Coupe, no ceiling, ceiling is gon' miss. They told me stop buying all these fancy cars. They told me please take all your diamonds off. I'm getting too rich to fly commercial flights.
Prime time conditions.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hella inside.
Holy fuck. Give me some cliff, baby.
I will.
records on the sheetrock. Not bad for a boy from Mississippi. Yeah, I could buy a Maybach, but I'm still in my F-150. And my last name is a whole lot bigger than I thought it'd be. A lot of things changed, except one thing, me. I'm still the same old redneck fuck, don't give a damn. Ain't afraid to throw a dead buck on my Instagram. Grain alcohol in my cup, got the whole house wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Same old redneck fuck, don't give a damn. Ain't afraid to throw a dead buck on my Instagram. Grain alcohol in my cup, got the whole house wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Yeah, wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out. Wall to wall, and I still ain't sold out.
Dude, it looks great with the fucking motocross behind you.
Why is it so loud?
Swinging and missing. It ain't broken, but damn, kissing.
Scotty, you sit the fuck down.
Just different. We've been talking.
Dude, Sean, come on.
What happened, Rapper?
I'm fucked.
You did too many couple rippers.
Too many fucking happy
Jesus
guys.
fucking Christ, bro.
Well, what the fuck is going on around here?
Eternally. I pray one day these verses hit like scriptures. They put my photos in museums and pay for my pictures. Right. Tell all my homies I love them. Give every chick a kiss. Never get no passes. Wasn't spare enough. Ain't have it. Wasn't sharing enough. Caught up in a system not designed for us. We really got power. They just reminding us that nobody could shine like us. Windows starting to close with opportunity. Your time be up. Raw without no polishing. Like niggas picking diamonds up. You fly, they try to clip your wings. I've been on a different sim. Don't slip up on them pictures, you be on different memes. We in the same league, but we on different teams. Came through, top shining like Mr. Clean. Everybody expression was in disbelief. Gangsters in the villa, private location, we got Wi-Fi. Me and Shooter was like Hov and Tata. I miss you nigga fly high. Exotic and cages playing bachata. They blind swinging like a pinata, looking for sponsors. I just pray these verses hit like scriptures from the Bible. Little kids hit my shit, say that's my idol. That nigga, he's my motivation. The lingo we talk is a broken language. Created the canvas, plus I know the painter, know the artist, no complainer. Really ain't nothing to complain about, my nigga. Came from the bottom. You really know where this shit came from. Roll up. Boulder. Grange. Light a spliff, nigga. Time ain't never wait for no man. Since Jeezy said he was the snowman. My life changed the day I got out that program.